Chemistry Lesson 2 Solutions. All the colligative properties. Vapor pressure lowering. First colligative property, vapor pressure lowering. The vapor pressure lowering is delta P equal to P01 minus P1, where P01 is the vapor pressure of pure solvent and P1 is vapor pressure of solvent. If P01 is the vapor pressure of pure solvent and P1 is the vapor pressure of solvent above the solution, then P1 is less than P01. The vapor pressure lowering is delta P1. Delta P is equal to P01 minus P1. Then Raoult's law for solutions of non-volatile solutes. P1 equal to P01 into X1. That is the Raoult's law is vapor pressure of solvent P1 is equal to vapor pressure of pure solvent multiplied by its mole fraction in solution. That is P1 equal to P01 X1. For binary solution containing one solute, P01 minus P1 equal to P01 X2. Therefore, delta P as we saw before, delta P equal to P01 minus P1, that is the lowering of vapor pressure. Hence, delta P equal to P01 X2, where X2 is the mole fraction. Then relative vapor pressure. The ratio of vapor pressure lowering of solvent divided by vapor pressure of pure solvent is called relative lowering of vapor pressure. The formula for relative vapor pressure lowering is delta P upon P01 is equal to P01 minus P1 upon P01. Delta P upon P01 equal to X2 equal to P01 minus P1 upon P01. Thus, relative lowering of vapor pressure is equal to mole fraction of solute in the solution. Therefore, relative vapor pressure lowering is colligative property. Relative vapor pressure lowering is equal to delta P upon P01 equal to P01 minus P1 upon P01. Delta P upon P01 is equal to X2, that is mole fraction of another solvent, is equal to P01 minus P1 upon P01. Molar mass of solute from vapor pressure lowering. Delta P upon P01 is equal to X2 as we saw before. X2 equal to N2 upon N1 plus N2, where N1 and N2 are moles of solvent and solute respectively. X2 equal to N2 upon N1 as N1 is very great than N2. N1 plus N2 is approximately N1. Therefore, X2 equal to N2 upon N1. Therefore, delta P upon P01 equal to N2 upon N1. N2 equal to W2 upon M2 and N1 equal to W1 upon M1, where M1 and M2 are molar masses of solvent and solute. Where M1 and M2 are molar masses of solvent and solute. Therefore, x2 equal to delta P upon P naught 1 is equal to W2 upon M2 divided by W1 upon M1. Therefore, delta P1 P naught 1 minus P1 upon P naught 1 equal to delta P upon P naught 1 equal to W2 M1 upon M2 W1, W2 M1 upon M2 W1. Knowing all other quantities, molar mass of solute M2 can be calculated. Boiling point elevation. If T naught B is boiling point of pure solvent and Tb is that of solution, then Tb is greater than T naught B. Therefore, delta Tb equal to Tb minus T naught B, that is boiling point elevation. Delta Tp equal to boiling point elevation equal to Tb minus T naught B. Boiling point elevation as a consequence of vapor pressure lowering. Boiling point elevation as consequence of vapor pressure lowering. Delta P equal to x2 P naught 1. Delta P equal to x2 P naught 1. Boiling point elevation as consequence of vapor pressure lowering. Here the boiling point elevation is mentioned as a cause as a result to vapor pressure lowering, and it is that here boiling point of elevation and concentration of solute delta Tb is directly proportional to m, or delta Tb equal to Kb into m. The boiling point elevation delta Tb is directly proportional to molality of solution, that is small m, molality of solution. Delta Tb equal to Kb, that is proportionality constant Kb, or it's called boiling point constant. It is 1 when it is equal to delta Tb when m is 1. Molar mass of solute from boiling point elevation. Molar mass solute from boiling point elevation. Mass of solvent is W1 gram equal to W1 upon 1000. After deriving all, we get the final formula as delta Tb equal to Kb into 1000 W2 upon M2 W1. Delta Tb equal to Kb into 1000 W2 upon M2 W1. Therefore, M2 equal to 1000 Kb W2 upon delta Tb W1. Depression in freezing point. Delta Tf equal to T naught F minus Tf. Delta Tf equal to T naught F minus Tf, where T naught F is freezing point of pure solvent and Tf of solution, and delta Tf is depression in freezing point, that is T naught 1 minus T naught F minus Tf. Molar mass of then freezing point, depression and concentration of solute. Delta Tf is directly proportional to m, that is molality, or delta Tf equal to Kf into m. These are the units of delta of Kf. Then molar mass of solute from freezing point depression. M equal to 1000 W2 upon M2 W1. M equal to 1000 W2 upon M2 W1. Delta Tf equal to Kf into 1000 W2 upon M2 W1. m2 equal to 1000 into kf w2 upon delta tf into w1. m2 equal to 1000 into kf into w2 upon delta tf into w1. Osmotic pressure and concentration of solution. Pi equal to N2 into RT upon V, where V is volume of solution, N2 containing N2 moles, N2 is number of moles of non-volatile solute, and R is gas constant, and pi is the osmotic pressure. Therefore, osmotic pressure pi is equal to N2 into R into T upon V, where T is a time. N by V is the concentration in molarity. Pi equal to mRT, molar mass of solute from osmotic pressure. Pi equal to N2 RT upon V. Pi equal to W2 RT upon M2 V. Therefore, M2 equal to W2 RT upon pi V. Pi equal to W2 RT upon M2 V. Because N2 equal to W2 upon M2. N2 equal to W2 upon M2. Therefore, pi equal to W2 RT upon M2 V. Van 't Hoff factor law. Van 't Hoff factor is denoted by I, that is colligative property of electrolyte solution upon colligative property of non-electrolyte solution of same concentration. I is equal to colligative property of electrolyte solution upon divided by same colligative property of non-electrolyte solution of same concentration. Therefore, I is equal to delta Tf upon delta Tf naught is equal to delta Tb upon delta Tb naught is equal to delta P upon delta P naught is equal to pi upon pi naught. I equal to dissociation, actual moles of particle in solution after dissociation upon moles of formula units dissolved in solution equal to formula mass of substance upon observed molar mass. It's also m theoretical upon m observed. Therefore, the modification of expression of colligative properties is delta P equal to I into P naught 1 into x2, that is W2 M1 upon M2 W1 into I. Delta TB equal to I into KB into M is equal to I into 1000 into KB into W2 upon M2 into W1. Delta TF equal to I into KF into M equal to I 1000 KF into W2 upon M2 W1, and pi equal to I mRT, that is I W2 RT upon M2 V. In fact, in every place, in every formula, there is I being multiplied and added here. I is multiplied extra, only added to the formula, original formula. Relation between Van 't Hoff factor and degree of dissociation. Total moles after dissociation are 1 plus alpha, or degree of dissociation, into n minus 1, where n is equal to x plus y is equal to moles of ions obtained from dissociation. I equal to actual moles upon moles of formula unit dissolved. Therefore, I equal to 1 plus alpha into n minus 1. I equal to 1 plus alpha into n minus 1, or alpha is equal to I minus 1 upon n minus 1. I equal to alpha equal to I minus 1 upon n minus 1.